It's a rainy New York morning, and there's water on the ground. It came down without much warning, and it hardly made a sound. The love I hoped that I would find here has eluded me again. It's a rainy New York morning, and I haven't got a friend. Thought coming here would be a good thing, but you've seemed to change your mind, and the hopes I had for our love will all be left behind. I hear sirens and the wet street noises as my feet tread the pavement below. It's a rainy New York morning, and I've got no place to go. It's early and the streets are empty, unlike the night before, when you told me you were leaving and proceeded out the door. All the cabbies have their lights off, not a taxi to be found. It's a rainy New York morning, and I am leaving town. It's a rainy New York morning, and the rain keeps coming down.